Okay, today's video is going to be how to use your laser engraver to make a stamp plate, or so you can press designs into leather. It's pretty simple to do. This is the image what came in. I just traced the image, so I've got a nice outline. Clicked OK. Delete the original. Get the circle and hold shift, just make a circle the size you want it. I'm going to make this 2 inches. So yeah, just shrink the fox down to the size you want and then just expand it, till it's within your boundaries. So I'm just going to go there. You can click the both of them and center, just make sure it's centered. So I went a 200 speed and a 45 power. You'll hear in the video I mentioned about changing the scan angle. That is the direction the laser's going to etch in. So if I say 0 scan angle, that's just how it is. 90 degrees is going to go up and down. You'll see in the video as it goes. So once you've got your powers and speeds correct, if you click the advanced tab and you'll see our ramp length, then you can choose how much you want the edges to ramp up. So mine was actually in millimeters and I went 1 millimeter, but I'll leave it at that for a second and I'll say OK. As well, you've got the choice if you want to ramp the outer edge. That'll give you a circle around the outside. I didn't go with that, so if you click OK, and now when you do a preview, yeah, you can see now if I click shade according to power, it'll show you. It'll look a bit blurry, but it's not. That's just the ramp. It's just showing you how far the ramp's going to go out past. What you want, another circle, you could just select this outside circle, press Ctrl and D to duplicate it, and then put it on a different layer. And now you can see that's going to be my cut layer, which is actually correct at 12 and 60. So what I did was I just turned this cut layer off to start with and etched this until I was happy. You'll see in the video I etched it a few times till it was deep enough, and then when I was ready I just turned this line back on and sent the whole lot. I'll get back to the video. So I'm just sending this at a 200 speed and a 45 power. There's no outline cut at the moment because I'm going to run this pass at least twice with high air to remove some extra material for these first passes. So I'm going to send that now. Okay, so that was 2 passes at 200 speed and 45 power, and you can see it's taken about 1/8 of an inch off. Now I've changed the speed and the power to a 500 speed, 20 power, but now I've turned the air off so I can clean this surface up a little bit. So I'm going to send that now. I've changed the scan angle as well to 90 degrees, so it's going to go up and down rather than side to side. So I'm going to send that now. Okay, again this one a 500 speed, 20 power, and now the scan angle is turned to 180 degrees, so it's going to start etching from the top and go downwards just to neaten it up one more pass. Yeah, so I've got this belt. I'm going to put it on the furthest setting. So I'm going to want one just this side, and then I'm going to go one just this side. thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.